Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we dive deep into all things wedding related. Today I am going to share some amazing ideas on how to decorate your home for a stunning nikah ceremony. Trust me, your guests won't be able to take their eyes off these decorations. First up, we have the entrance. You want to make sure it's as inviting as possible. Hang some delicate fairy lights along the pathway leading to your house. Trust me, these little twinkle lights will instantly create a romantic vibe. Let's move inside. The living room is where all the magic will happen. So you want to make it look extra special. One of my favorite ways to spice up the space is by using elegant drapes and fabrics. Choose soft dreamy colors that complement your overall theme. Moving on to the focal point of the ceremony, the nikah stage. This is where the couple will exchange their vows, so it needs to be extraordinary. A gorgeous backdrop adorned with flowers, twinkle lights, and maybe even some hanging lanterns can create a truly magical atmosphere. And finally, let's not forget about the lighting. It has the power to transform any space instantly. Dim the main lights and replace them with warm, soft ones to set the romantic mood. You can also use string lights or lanterns to add a touch of enchantment to the overall ambience. And there you have it, folks. This simple yet stunning decoration will definitely make your nikah ceremony one to remember. Don't forget to add your personal touches along the way to make it truly unique. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found these ideas helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more wedding inspiration. Love is all about the little details. Happy decorating!